Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something really cool I want to show you today that was sent to me to do somewhat of a product review. And it was this NeoEco airbrush. So the company, a company representative, he reached out to me. Thank you, Frank. And he asked if I would be interested in reviewing their airbrush. And if so, they would send me a copy. And I said, sure, yeah, I would love to. So here it is. All right, so NeoEco, I'd never heard of them before, as far as an airbrush manufacturer. But they sell these on Amazon. I'll post the link so you can go check that out. But they, not only did they send me one, they sent me two. Now, there's not two in a box. There's a single. There's either a red or a black. But they sent me a red and a black. And I have already been using the red gun. I've already shot several paint jobs with it. Undercover, you guys might have seen it in the videos when I was spraying, if it was the red airbrush. So they sent me the two. I've been using this one. And I wanted to test it out. It's a really cool airbrush. It works great. It's different than my Iwata in the fact that it has a adjustment valve right here. So it's a pressure, your air pressure. You can adjust your air pressure right here. So if you're spraying it and you want to really cut it down to nothing, like for instance, my air compressor is just a regular like nail gun air compressor. And if I drop my pressure down to like 10 psi, my water filter that's on it, or humidity filter, or, you know, it's a water filter really, to catch any water that comes through it, it has a little purge valve that under like 10 pounds, it has a spring, so it will release. So I can't drop my pressure down too far. But with this, I can adjust that. I can leave it, say, at 20 pounds, and I can adjust the pressure down, and you can by eye tell that your pressure is dramatically, you can cut it all the way to 0. So that's not mistakenly a valve that adjusts paint, it adjusts airflow. So it comes with the quick connect. It's a nice gun. It also comes, well, why don't I just, so this is just a box cover because it's very tight fitting box. So I already took the top off. So here is, I just opened this one, is the black one. The black NeoEco, and this is exactly how it comes. I have not even taken this one out. So you get the anodized black or red cup. Alright, let me stop right there for just a second. I read some reviews on this, and someone said in one of the reviews, great airbrush, but the cup, because of its anodized, it's somewhat porous and it was hard to clean. I've had no trouble at all cleaning my airbrush, the red one. I use something that's a little peculiar to some people, but I use carburetor cleaner. That's what I've always cleaned my airbrushes with. I spray them out with carburetor cleaner, and it completely cleaned the anodized cup. But because NeoEco realized that some people may be unsatisfied with the anodized cup, they sent me two chrome cups, so you won't have that problem. If you had it, you won't have it anymore. So it comes with obviously the metal cup, and then it comes with these two larger plastic ones. So there's those. It comes with a it comes with a 2.2 millimeter needle, a 0.3 millimeter needle that's in the gun, and the 0.5 millimeter needle. Those are the tips and the needles. Let me get this stuff out and I'll show you. Brand new, never touched this one before. But the needles are right here. So there's your different size needles, 0.2, 0.5, and the one that's in the gun is the 0.3. Also comes with a nifty little wrench to change your nozzles, and it comes with the cutest little pipette you've ever seen. So that's what the Oh, and I think I already mentioned it on the red one, but it comes with the quick connect, which is so cool because I have this quick connect already on my other guns. So my Harbor Freight gun, my Iwata, and now these two NeoEcos. That goes onto the gun, and this goes onto your air hose, and you just, if you want to use two different air brushes, like for instance, I'll probably go with two different needle sizes, so I can just use whichever gun, like spray clear with I think you can spray clear with a bigger needle. And I've never had this needle problem. I've always just tried to get by with one, and I'm going to try and venture out and see how much that changes the dynamic of my painting. But I wanted you guys to see this, and I wanted to thank NeoEco for sending these to me, allowing me to do that. This review, again, I've already used the red one. It's a great gun. I'd highly recommend it. It's as you continue to watch my videos, you'll see me painting cars with these guns, and they're great. So again, big shout out to NeoEco. Thank you, Frank, for reaching out to me and sending me these two guns and the two chrome cups also. And again, I encourage you guys to go check it out. It's an Amazon. I think these guns run about $39.99. I think it's around 40 bucks. So I'll link that Amazon link in the description of the video for you guys to go check that out. So again, thanks for sending me these guns to try and to use, because I'm not just going to try them, I'm going to use them. NeoEco, thank you so much. But I'd never end the video with that. I'd also recommend that after you go check out NeoEco over on the Amazon link, that you go on the other link that supports me, hobbynutmodels.com. I bet you guys knew that was coming. hobbynutmodels.com, because you know you need paint to put in these things, and you need something to spray that paint on. It just happens that hobbynutmodels.com has got the kit to spray it on, and the paint to fill it with, and the thinner to thin it with, and the sandpaper to sand it with, and all those things can be found at hobbynutmodels.com. It's always linked in the description of my videos, so go check it out. Thank you, NeoEco. Check out their link. Thank you, Hobby Nut Models. And I want to thank all of you guys that watch these videos and support me. You guys are great. And I forgot one thing. This is an NCT SJ83. It'll be linked in the description, but just in case you wanted to just Google that, NeoEco NCT-SJ83. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. You guys are great. I have the greatest support team out there, and that's all you guys. So I want to say my greatest appreciation goes out to you for supporting me in such the ways that you do, various ways. But most importantly, you guys watch these videos and are a great encouragement to me. So go again, check out all these links, and hey guys, we will see you on the next video.